we will discuss about servlets. Now, first of all, what is meant by servlet? Generally, servlet technology is used to create a web application which resides at the server side and it generates a dynamic web page. Generally, servlet technology is robust and scalable because it uses Java language. Now, we will see what are the advantages of servlets. Servlet is a technology which is used to create a web application. Servlet is an API that provides many interfaces and classes, including documentation. Servlet is an interface that must be implemented for creating any servlet. Generally, servlet is a class that extends the capabilities of servers and responds to the incoming requests. It can respond to any request. Servlet is a web component that is deployed on the server to create a dynamic web page. Now, first of all, before using servlet, we use common gateway interface which is known as CGI. There are some disadvantages of CGI, so that's why we are using servlet. Generally, CGI technology enables the web server to call an external program and passes HTTP request information to the external program to process the request. To start a new process, it has to request. Now we will see why we use servlets over CGI. Because of better performance of servlets over CGI. Because servlets create a thread for each request, not for the process, we use servlets. Second one is portability. Servlets uses Java language, so we use servlets over CGI. Generally, servlets are robust. That means JVM manages servlets, so we don't need to worry about memory leak or garbage collection, etc. Generally, servlets are more secure than CGI because it uses Java language. Now we will see properties of servlets. Servlets work on the server side. Servlets handle complex requests from web server. Now we will see about servlet properties that are which are already discussed in the previous slides. They are portable, efficient and scalable, robust. We will see portable. Servlet uses Java as a programming language. Since Java is platform independent, servlets are portable. Servlets are efficient and scalable. The web server invokes servlets using a lightweight thread, so multiple client requests can be fulfilled by servlet at the same time using the multi-threading feature of Java. Next we will see robust. By inheriting the top features of Java such as garbage collection, exception handling, etc., the servlet is less prone to memory management issues and memory leaks. So this makes development of web application in servlets, so it is secure and less error prone. Now we'll see how servlet works. Generally, first of all, server checks the servlet is requested for the first time or not. If the servlet is requested for first time, then web container must test the following tasks. First of all, it loads the servlet class, then instantiates the servlet class, calls the init method by passing the servlet configuration object. If the servlet is not called for the first time, then it calls the service method, passing request and response objects. The web container calls the destroy method when it needs to remove servlet, such as time of stopping server or undeploying the project. Now we will see servlet lifecycle. Servlet lifecycle is in 5 steps. Generally, first of all, in servlet lifecycle, first of all, servlet class is loaded, and then servlet instance is created, then init method is invoked, and then service method is invoked. Finally, destroy method is invoked. It is clearly seen in the diagram. Generally, servlet is initialized by calling init method. Servlet calls service method to process client requests. Servlets are terminated by calling destroy method. Finally, servlet is garbage collected by the garbage collector of Java virtual machine. Now we will see some questions of servlet. What is the life cycle of servlet? Earlier, now only we discussed the life cycle of servlet. A servlet lifecycle can be described by 5 methods. First of all, servlet is initialized by calling int method. Then servlet calls service method to process a client request. Then afterwards it calls the destroy method. Next question. What is servlet collaboration? When one servlet communicates to another servlet, it is known as servlet collaboration. How many objects of servlet is created? We have seen in the previous slides. Only one object at the time of first request by the server or web container is created. Who is responsible to create the object of servlet? We have seen this also. The web container is responsible to create the object of servlet. When servlet object is created, at the time of first request only the servlet object is requested. That's all. Thank you.